Hi, this is Devin Hobb with RE/MAX, and we are in Saratoga Springs today in the Gables community. And this community has a couple of features. There's a splash pad just down the road. There's a kids play park right here. And then the HOA does insure the exteriors of the buildings, and they pay for the water, sewer, and garbage bill. And this summer they're putting in some new sod as well right here. And so they're pretty proactive community upkeeping the townhomes. And I'll take you on a tour. This one's a one-car garage townhome with a small backyard. All right, so here in the entryway, there's a little coat closet here, and then a half bath on the main right here. And then it opens up to a nice great room. So we've got a good sized kitchen, the dining room right here, and the sellers have done a great job with their color palette in the home and some of the nice wood trim work. The light fixtures as well have been upgraded in some cases. And one of the neat features about this townhome is that they do have a fenced in backyard. So I'll take you out here. And if you did have small pets, this community is perfect for that. Fenced in backyard, and the HOA does mow the grass for you as well, so that's really nice. I'll take you upstairs in the tour. All right, so up here we have the laundry room. It's got nice floating shelves, and then the master is right here. So we have the vaulted ceilings, and then it does have a nice deck right off of the master. And in the recent years, the HOA actually redid these decks. So these are all nicely redone, and they'll last a long time. So over here we've got the walk-in closet, and it is a really good sized closet, pretty spacious. And then we've got the master bath over here. It's got a tub shower in it. And let's go down the hall. We've got a workstation right here, and then the hall bathroom right here. There's a lot of storage pantries in the home, and here we've got bedroom number 2, and it does have a 6-foot wide closet right here. And then this one's bedroom number 3, and it also has a 6-foot wide closet. And from here we'll go downstairs into the unfinished basement, and there's plenty of room to expand down there. All right, so down here in the finished basement, these are 8-foot tall ceilings. And then we have the window over here. So this area would make for a good bedroom right here. And then the utility closet could be framed in right here. And then all of this area could be a nice living room. So there's also stubs over there, plumbed for a 3rd full bathroom if you want it as well. I hope you enjoyed watching that video tour and got a good feel for the townhome's layout as well as the community features. If you'd like to come and see this home in person, feel free to reach out to me or the agent you're already working with and come and see this home. Thanks for watching.